What is up and welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we have this informative piece of information that is being shared by businesstoday.in, and this is gonna help us understand the difference between ChatGPT and Google's new open AI, that is Bard. ChatGPT gets competition. OpenAI's ChatGPT has been making waves since its introduction last November. But now, Google finally has an answer for it, and it has named it as Bard. 6 years in the making. This is a statement which was being made by Mr. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google and Alphabet. Google has been working on AI for the past 6 years, and Google CEO Sundar Pichai finally revealed Bard via a humble blog post. Let's see how it is different from ChatGPT. First, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that has been trained on a diverse range of internet text. It can generate human-like text, complete tasks such as translation and summarization, and answer questions. What exactly is Bard? Bard is also a conversational AI, but it is powered by Google's language model for dialogue applications, which Google calls in short form LaMDA. Similar to ChatGPT, it will generate human-like text, but with the added ability to draw information from the web. Moving further, in Business Today explains the responses from ChatGPT and Bard. ChatGPT generates its responses based on the information it has been trained on. Bard, on the other hand, will draw information from the web, which is going to be massive. Further, they explain the capabilities between ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has proven itself as a nifty tool that writes human-like text, completes tasks, and answers questions. Bard will initially assist in basic searches on the internet and provide conversational responses based on information on the web. To show you an example of this is the example, and currently we are on Google's own blog. This is the example that the CEO shared in his own written article. So this is how basically Bard is initially going to plan. You go ahead and search for the query and it's going to give you information based on that. Moving further, the availability. ChatGPT is widely available and can be integrated into various applications and platforms. On the other hand, Google is releasing Bard initially with a limited number of testers, with plans to make it more widely available in the coming weeks. So currently it is not live, but it will be available in the coming weeks. ChatGPT UX and UI. UX is user interface, user experience, and UI is user interface. ChatGPT has been used by a large number of users and has received positive feedback for its responses. Bard's limited release will allow for Google to gather feedback and improve its responses before making it available to a larger audience. Seems that we'll have to still wait for Bard. Moving ahead is the reliability factor. ChatGPT's responses are based on the information it has been trained on and are not always accurate. On the other hand, Bard's ability to draw information from the web is expected to provide more accurate responses. And here we reach the conclusion. Both ChatGPT and Bard are powerful language models with unique capabilities. It will be interesting to see how Bard develops and how it compares to ChatGPT in future. So that was my video about Bard AI versus ChatGPT. If you liked the video, if you found it informational, please hit the like button and do subscribe for the channel for the latest updates in tech. Let's meet again.